today I will show you how to make this crazy data displacement effect. Yo, it's Povikas here, and real quick guys, I just want to announce that my glitch presets pack is out now. I've been working on it for the whole summer to make it, and I finally released it, so I would 100% recommend to go and check it out. It has like over 25 of those crazy glitch effects, but anyways, let's begin. Alright guys, so here I have a clip of one and only's music video. The music video is called Ghost Killer, and what you can do is you can actually press Ctrl D on a layer that you want to add this crazy effect, and I'll show you later on why we did that. And here we need to add the effect. So the effect we're going to add is called Displacement Map. It's a built-in After Effects effect, so everyone has it, don't worry. And the Displacement Map layer has to be the layer that we are on. That's very important, but it usually just auto sets to it. And here at the start, let's make the max horizontal displacement to 0 and the max vertical displacement to 0 and keyframe it. And keyframe both of these, just keyframe both of those. And it's important to go to use for horizontal displays and make it to hue. Yeah, this is really important to do. And also, let's go and check wrap pixels around. And now we can go like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, how many frames you want. To be fair, it doesn't really matter. And here we can make the max horizontal displacement crazy high, like I'm talking like 1955, I don't even know. And this will create this insane data displacement effect. Just look how crazy that looks. So why did we duplicate this layer? Well, we duplicate it because if you ever want to use the other clip, you can, you can just turn this off and you can use this clip. And yeah, you can also make the max vertical displacement like really high, and that will just look absolutely insane. Honestly, I don't even know how we would call this effect, but it's almost too difficult to even understand what's happening at that point. So you might not want to do that. I have no idea. But yeah, I just completely messed around. I love this effect. Ooh, and now for my favorite part of the video, I want to see how this looks with glitches on, because for this style glitches work fantastically. So we can press Ctrl+Y, go to animation presets, user presets, and here we can go to glitch presets actually. If you open it up, and you will see a bunch of like over 25 plus glitch presets, and here we can drag and drop anything, like for example glitch 16, we can just double press on it on the adjustment layer, and we will have this insane glitch effect for this style of a video. This actually looks crazy, and we can press Ctrl+Shift+D to cut it, so it doesn't last for the whole clip. And we can press U to see where it ends. So it ends here. We can press Ctrl+Shift+D, or we can end the glitch a bit faster. We could end it like maybe here, so it will only glitch for this amount, but we can extend it a bit further. And if we want to make like a crazy long glitch, we can also press Ctrl+Y, and we can add on top another glitch. So for example, maybe like glitch 1, and this is how like the whole glitch will look like. I don't know, just I love adding glitches anywhere pretty much, and adding it on this style of a video with like data displacement is amazing. And also, if you want, you can use code glitch5 at the checkout to get a $5 discount code for the glitch presets pack. But anyways guys, thank you so much for the recent support you've been giving to the channel, and if you have any questions, then also please let me know. But anyways, it was fun. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.